The KODAK PIXPRO WPZ2 is a rugged digital camera designed for adventure enthusiasts. Its standout feature is its durability. It's waterproof up to 15 meters, shockproof from heights of up to 2 meters, and fully dust-sealed, making it ideal for various challenging environments. This robust build ensures users can confidently capture moments during activities like snorkeling, hiking, or desert excursions without worrying about damaging their equipment. Equipped with a 16-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, the WPZ2 delivers high-resolution images with impressive clarity. Its 4x optical zoom lens, starting at a 27mm wide angle, allows for versatile shooting, from expansive landscapes to detailed close-ups. Additionally, the camera offers a 6x digital zoom, providing further reach when necessary. For those interested in capturing motion, the WPZ2 supports full HD 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second, ensuring smooth and detailed footage. The camera's 2.7-inch LCD screen facilitates easy framing and reviewing of shots. While the display's 230K dot resolution is modest, it serves its purpose in various lighting conditions. The WPZ2 also boasts a continuous shooting mode at 6 frames per second, ensuring users can capture fast-paced action sequences effectively. For low-light situations, the built-in flash offers multiple modes, including auto and red-eye reduction, enhancing shooting flexibility. Connectivity is another strength of the WPZ2. With built-in Wi-Fi, users can seamlessly transfer images and videos to their smart devices, streamlining the sharing process on social media platforms. The camera supports microSD cards for storage, accommodating capacities up to 512 gigabytes, which is ample for extended shooting sessions. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery provides approximately 200 shots per charge, suitable for day-long adventures. In summary, the KODAK PIXPRO WPZ2 is a reliable companion for those seeking a durable and capable camera for outdoor activities. Its combination of rugged features, respectable imaging capabilities, and user-friendly functions makes it a worthy consideration for capturing memories in demanding environments.